Make your macaroni with beets and broccoli. You will thank me later. So today we're making our macaroni with beets and broccoli. So you could see me cutting the meat right now. When I'm done cutting this meat, we'll be frying the meat in oil. So just chop your meat or cut your meat into cubes. Today recipe I'm using chicken breast. You know how soft and nice chicken breast used to be when it's well fried. So that's why I decided to use chicken breast for today's recipe. As you could see, I'm trying to cut them into shape and make it look nice. I'm just finished cutting it. I put it in a bowl. So I'm cutting another chicken breast. So the reason why I decide to cut it into tiny pieces is so that when you eating the recipe, each bite you have meat, to chew, and that's always make the food taste good. So I'm continuing to cut my chicken breast. I'm cutting it into little cubes. I don't want it to be too big, I don't want it to be too small, I just want it to be moderate. So as soon as I'm done cutting it, I'm gonna pour it in a bowl where I'll be adding other ingredients. So right here I'm using yellow hot pepper. You could see me slicing the yellow hot pepper. And I'll also be cutting the yellow hot pepper into cube as well. Right now I'm chopping it into pieces. I want to make sure I get the best of it. I want it to be very, very tiny. I don't want it too chunky. So I'm using half onions. I also cut these onions into cubes like I'm doing right now. So when you're done cutting the onions, add it to the pepper. All right, so this is beets roots or beets fruits. Either one you call it is okay. So today's recipe, our major ingredient is the beets. So I'm here peeling the beet right now. I just finished peeling it. I'm gonna be cutting the beets into pieces. So I'm also cutting the beets into little pieces. So guys, if you watch up until this moment, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I want you to do well by hitting the subscription button so that whenever we upload any video, you'll be the first to receive notification about the video. I want you to like this video. I want you to give this video a thumbs up. I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. And yeah, show some like. And if you love this recipe, comment love this recipe, and I'm gonna be making more of this type of recipe. So I'm still cutting the beets. I'm trying to make sure I cut it into very tiny pieces. Yeah, I'm still cutting the beets. Beet is very good. It's a healthy fruit. You could eat it raw, but today we're using it to make our macaroni. So here is my broccoli. I just added a broccoli with the beets together in a bowl. So I'm using spring onions as well. Yeah, this recipe is rich with vegetable, different type of vegetable. It's very, very rich and it's very, very healthy. So I just added my sliced onion sleeve spring to the to the recipe. I'm apparently frying the cut chicken breast. I'm frying it in the fry pan. So I'll fry it in a medium heat. I don't want it to get burnt. I don't want it to be uncooked. So, like chicken breast doesn't take time before it gets cooked. So I just added my garlic powder as one of my seasoning. And I added salt for taste. And right now I'm adding Maggi cube into the pot of frying meat. So I cover it to simmer. Okay, after 5 minutes I opened it and I stir it, making sure that every part gets well cooked. I added my onions and I stir it again. Alright, so here I'm adding my ingredients, and this is a lot of veggies. I'm adding the veggies. This is the broccoli, the onion, the pepper, the spring onion, and the beetroots. So it's a lot of ingredients. You could see the pot is very full. I probably will need a bigger pot or a bigger fry pan. So I'm stirring it, making sure that every part of the food is getting well cooked. So apparently it's boiling, so I have to change the pots. As you could see, I put my macaroni in a bigger fry pan. Now I just pour the ingredients, all the fried veggies and all the seasoning. I pour it inside macaroni and the spaghetti, and you could see how nice this is looking so healthy, looking so delicious already. You can tell this is definitely gonna look good. So now I'm shredding my broccoli in the recipe. So guys, comment love this recipe and I will make more of this recipe. So I'm adding our cheese and I'm stirring everything together. This is looking good already. And let me know if you'll be trying this at home, and if you want a full ingredients I use on this recipe, comments in the comment section and I'm going to be sending it to you. So our food is ready, so I'm trying to dish for myself and definitely taste it. Because I like broccoli, you could see me picking some broccoli out and I'm adding it to the one I'll be tasting because I love broccoli a lot. So that's exactly what I'm doing here right now. So our food is ready, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this channel a thumbs up, comment on this video, and try to share this video to as many people as you could. And guys, that is it from me. Bye.